Good morning, everybody. What's going on? Let's go, let's go, let's go. What's good, everybody? Good morning, good morning. Good to the morning. 3 to the 1 to the 1 to the 3. I woke up this morning and chose DOD. From a 3 to the 1 to the 1 to the 3. Wake up every day and choose DOD. Then during stream, I sometimes gotta pee. Conversations of me to me. $45-point Peloton. Let's go. 45-minute Peloton. That's dope. What's good, what's good, what's good, team boy? We are back in action, baby. It's time. It's time to make ourselves a bag. Let's go, let's go. If you want it, you can trade it. What's up, bro? What's up, dog? Yeah, let's go. It's DOD time, baby.
Considering short shirt pre-market, but right above quantum control.
That last candle looks good. That looks real good. Oh, yeah, real, real good. Good morning, TikTok. Good morning. I got to mute this real quick. Good morning, TikTok. This live stream is not financial advice. This live stream is simulated trading only. This live stream is for educational and entertainment purposes only as well. Everything said here is for education and entertainment. My name is Jdun, and it's 7:06 a.m. Mountain Time. Let's go. Now that that's out of the way, let's get it. 7:06 a.m. Let's get it, everybody. Let's go. No HQ today. I did not end up going to the HQ today. I am not at the HQ. I had a change of plans. So I could not go. I did not go. Hit a winner, Jay Dunn, and have you give us a Trill Davis Mile High salute. All right. Oh, yeah, and did I forget to mention that Pay Dunn? He came early, and you got a double dose of Pay Dunn today. Double dose, meaning I got 2 coffees in hand. I'm coming full guns a-blazing today. Full guns a-blazing. I'm done playing around. I'm done messing. I was really bummed. I missed some real good setups yesterday. I had to leave. I can stay a little longer today. I can stay till about 9 Mountain Time max. Then I'll be back to full schedule tomorrow. I would have stayed for 2 hours today, but I have to travel. Double fisting Jdun. That's what they call me. Pause. Yeah, I just got to go. I got to take a pit stop back in Nebraska. Hopefully everything's all right. But that's one of the reasons why I'm so thankful to be a trader and to be in the position I'm in. And what I strive for you guys is that when life does come up, you can be there. You own your time. And when you own your time, that's a bigger flex than any car or watch or piece of clothing or anything material. Anything at all. Appreciate y'all. I don't know how old this jacket is. I've had it for a very, very, very long time. Probably as old as my lava lamp. You guys all had homework. Hope you honored it. All right, everybody, we got 20 minutes till market open. 20 minutes till marketito openito. Can I afford 2 lava lamps if I win a trade today? Yeah, but if not, probably not. Times are tough out here, my guy. Tell y'all right now, I'm going hard today. We got an hour and a half to catch a trade. Let's see what news we have as well. We have construction spending and PMI. So should do something. We'll put the jacket back on if we need it. Right now, we're getting suns out, guns out, baby. Oh, yeah. Telling y'all, with how much I'm eating, I'm about to turn into the freaking Hulk. I'm about to look like, gosh dang, Wolverine. They make love to our windows. It's not so bad. It's not so bad. What about MLGO? I ain't got no clue. Pay Don is in the house, baby. You should know that by now. Pay Don is in the building. Whoop, whoop. Gene killed it on Asia last night, too. How about that? Who was trading Asia with Gene yesterday and caught the banger? Bro comes on and just wins. Gene caught 2 bangers. Oh, crap. Excuse me, Gene. I didn't include banger number 2. Yeah, Gene trades different than I do. Gene did well. His stops seem bigger than yours and not hard stops. So that's his strategy. I stick to my system very strictly, and there's pros and cons to it, right? There's pros and cons to every system that you trade. You got to find what works best for you. Guys, it is Free Money Friday. All I'm asking from y'all on the free streams is you guys tap that like button if you're on YouTube. You hit that thumbs up if you're ready to choose DOD, if you're ready to trade smart and trade safe. Slam that thumbs up. We got almost 400 people in here early. Let's get that up to 100. And I know we got 40 of y'all that can hit thumbs up right now, baby. And on TikTok, appreciate y'all tapping that screen over and over and getting those likes up. Someone said, does he make money? And someone said, is the sky blue? Christian, shout out you, bro. My man. Yep. Trading isn't one size fits all. Never has been for anybody. I would say that. How I trade, you might not like how I trade, but you might, get in a 5-point system, you might get 3 points from me that really help you in your trading. You might get 1 point. I know you're going to get 1 point. You're at least getting DOD. That is applicable to anybody and everybody. It's non-negotiable. Jen stream still says Nas Daddy. Jen's stream still says Nas Daddy Jdun. That is hilarious. I'm just gonna leave it and see how long till she notices. Damn, Nas Daddy Jdun looks a little different today. That is actually hilarious. I just be laughing, bro. Trading itself is very stressful and boring, so we like to come on here and have fun. My strategy is also boring, but I do my best to keep things fun. Look at that 2-bar. Well, not really 2-bar. Actually, I take that back. This would have been a 2-bar, and it actually would have paid out. Shorts at 860, stops at 886. Never went above the trend-setting candle high. Moved down. That actually would have been a 2-bar. Sexy Rexy said Jdun should take a red trade. I still have to market order made 2,500 on trade. It sucks for consistency. Just fade me, bro. Just fade me today. Just fade me today, my boy. I don't plan on losing. Lots of different ways to make money on here. No matter what the system, you got to have DOD. That is facts. All right. As a reminder, if you guys want to trade futures with me today, if you guys want to take the next trade with me, you guys can use code Jdun for 50% off Apex. I put the link there. You can get 20% off Alpha Futures or 30% off Tradeify. For one-day pass accounts, I personally like Alpha Futures 0 accounts, and then I also like Apex's 50K trade evates. So if you guys want to get signed up right now, you can use code Jdun for the best possible discount. No Lucid. Just use Tradeify instead, bro. Way better. Way better, bro. Once, bro put it in capitals. Bro said, once a day, I shall ask for purchase of a Team Bowl hat until I get one. Asking you, you may receive. So sign up on Tradeify. Yup, use code Jdun. I appreciate you and your support. I'm here to book the Airbnb. You guys like that? That was hilarious, huh? I thought it was funny. Of course, I laugh at my own jokes that, like, most of the time no one else thinks is funny, so. You guys see Jack Dorsey laid off like half of his company? If that doesn't tell you that AI is coming and you need to learn high income skills now, it should. Oh, I didn't think it was hate at all sexy, Rexy. Jack Dorsey, former owner of Twitter. He owns Block now. No, not Jack Dorsey. Dorsey. A good one's trading. I like men. Well, I like helping men too. Don't let the Dorsey hit you on the way out. What a privilege it is to be here today. What a privilege it is for all of us to gather here online together. How crazy is that? 20 years ago, you would have never thought. You'd have never thought. Okay, see about a SmackDown tonight. Cap. Did they play tonight? Oh, in OKC. Yep. Yep, we're 8 minutes away from open, everybody. It all works out. Don't work. Okay, guys, I gotta find one banger today. One banger at least. We have an hour and a half. You know what I also have to do, guys? I know we said we're gonna just pray for the haters from now on, which I actually like that system more. But You know, and when they come in, and if anyone negative comes in, I say, you know what, God bless you. I hope you have a great day. But there's just one funny thing I got to do. All right. So the next later in the stream, when someone comes in and hates, it's like, Jdun, this is what y'all look like. All right. When someone comes in and says, Jdun, you never take any trades. Does DOD even work?
Do you take any trades, Jdun? This guy doesn't even trade. He hasn't called a trade in 3 weeks. This is you.
that's what they're getting from now on. I'm just going to put the mask on and shut the hell up. Okay. That's just hilarious, though. I was like, okay, we ordered it already before we made the change. So we'll just like use it once or twice. And and then we'll go back to praying for him. All right. Jdun is the only one I found with a legit strategy. Prove me wrong. Oh, my man. Bro, I got a whole, it's like a damn circus over here. I got all the masks. I was waiting to use that one. That's good. That's a good one. When they come in, which I'm sure they will, I'll say, well, usually I'd pray for you because that's what we do here now. And, you know, I want to see you win still with DOD, but I actually have a picture of you in my office. And we'll show them. Thank you, Zen. I went and watched the video. Let's go. Bro, I only need like 600 to pass 3 evals. You think we got it today? I mean, we're either going to A, do that, and you're going to catch a winning trade, or B, you're going to manage your risk, and you're not going to blow up. The two options. One thing I always tell people is like when you're close to getting a payout or passing an eval is there can't just be 2 options. And a lot of times for traders on prop firms, there is 2 options. It's option A of I'm going to pass this today, or option B is I'm going to lose, get pissed, and blow up the account. Like you got to find some middle ground there. You got to find either A, I'm going to follow my system and pass this, or B, I'm going to manage my risk. I might take a loss because that happens in trading, but I'm not going to blow the account up, and I'll live to trade another day. That's the mindset shift I need you guys going through. Let's see here. Oh. MS and TikTok said,
all this time, and you still have no idea how to effing trade. Why do you keep going live, Jdun? All this streaming, and you have not a clue how to trade.
That's you right now, bro. That's bro right now. Oh, that's bro right now. All right. Okay, we're focused. We're done. We're done for a little bit. We're going back to the. This is hilarious, huh? I'm like, what kind of what stupid mask? Oh, fudge. Yes, focus. I'm focused. I'm better. I'm focused. We're good. All right, let's get it. Anyone know a good company to ship cars with? Honestly, I don't. I wish I did. I do not. Don't. We got 3 minutes, y'all. Grizzly, you got anything to watch for us today? We got almost 2 minutes left till open, guys. This is a good time to start your daily check-in. How did you sleep last night? How is your focus this morning? Did you follow your routine this morning? Do you have anything important going on? Is there anything in life going on? All these different questions you need to ask yourself. And make sure you're in the right headspace to either A, trade, or to B, put risk on. Maybe you're not in the best headspace, but it's not the worst, so you can trade, but you're not going to put any significant risk on. So maybe instead of 10 micros or 5 micros, you trade 2. There's nothing wrong with de-risking for a day, or maybe you've been on a losing streak. If you've been losing more than you'd like and you want to get your confidence back, it's time to size down. All those little nuances matter. What do you think? Every day, should I start doing like Sports Center does on College Game Day, where Lee Corso picks the head of the bull or the bear? What do you guys think? Every morning, should I give my start of the day pick? Even though we go in unbiased. All right. All right. We got 2 options today. We got the Bulls, and we got the Bears. Based on our pre-market action, where we're at in the NASDAQ, we're going with a reverse. Screw the Bulls, baby. The Bears are in town. Let's go. It's Bear season, baby. That's the pick of the day. Now, if we go to the upside, we will trade the upside and whatever the market gives us. But that's the pick of the day. We'll see how it goes. Let's get it, baby. Let's go, Team Bull. It's DOD time. We got Grizzly Glock in the house. We got Jdun trades. And it's time to make ourselves some bread. Let's get it. I want y'all to choose DOD today. Trade smart, trade safe, stay focused. I did choose Team Bear today based on the pre-market action. We'll see if that ends up playing out. We got a, geez Louise, we got a ways away till pre-market high. A whole ways away. What was the previous day lower, like right there? 863. Huh. I do love bear markets. I can't even cap. That's when I made my most money, was in 2023. I love trading the downside. Call my vibe. I thought you'd like to know. I took my first payout yesterday. I remember you telling us if you can't take a payout, you take it. If you can't take a payout, take it. This is my first payout in 2 years. I deposited $600. Let's go. That's awesome, bro. Congratulations. That's amazing. You should pat yourself on the back. That's a huge accomplishment. Even if you get a $500 payout or a daily payout of $100, it's a huge accomplishment, and that should be celebrated. It's dope, bro. I'm going to stay very patient these first 15 minutes, guys. We have our previous day low around like 863, right where we rejected here. I am not at the office today, guys. I ended up having to fly back to Nebraska today, so I didn't have time to go get the office ready. So I am not at the office today. I'm at my house. Had to cancel on all of our wonderful traders. That's okay. She wanted to know me. Can you request a payout on Apex on any day as long as you meet the requirements? Yes. I do have good internet and living in the hills. Yep. Let's see what the midpoint is from the pre-market high to the pre-market low. Damn, up near 25,000. Sheesh. That's a ways away. Yep, it takes 8 trading days on Apex to get a payout. All right, y'all, let's focus up. Let's make ourselves some money today. I have an hour and a half to trade with y'all. So
All right. Real quick, I'm watching this level here. Team pull my chart, the 24,954 area. Asia low. I'm looking for us to
all right.
wick back below it for a possible short. Okay. That's what I'm watching. What up there?
We have 18 5-minute candles to catch a winning trade. That's all I got. Grizzly, how long are you going to stick around today?
I'm manifesting a 30-minute workday.
I'm here for it. I like that. I love that answer. Manifesting a 30-minute workday.
I ended up taking a trade yesterday. Got the trade at chop price, so just got out.
Yep.
I made about $40 yesterday. Got out right at break even.
Bro can get a Texas Roadhouse steak and maybe a side.
Barely. No tip with that. Only taking 40.
Yo, everybody on the YouTube, I need you guys all real quick, if you're looking to make some money today, to choose DOD and to level yourself up as a trader, to hit that thumbs up button, baby. We're at 200 likes. Let's get that up to 500, baby. Come on. I know y'all got it in you. Let's get that up to 500. And for TikTok, y'all are in the same boat. Tap that screen over and over, get them likes up while we're waiting. I'm going to find y'all a banger with DOD. My main purpose, my main focus today is to help y'all get paid. Paydon's gonna do my best. Paydon is in the house. We got Paydon's in the house, baby. I'm drinking coffee. I'm double fisting my coffee today. Double Paydon, which has got to mean mega trade. It's got to mean mega trade. No, not beer today.
Drinking beer.
Yeah, I was sipping beer yesterday on stream because I love beer. I've always loved beer, and I definitely drink a lot. So just so much beer. Definitely haven't not drank for 22 months. Definitely, even when I did drink, I definitely loved beer. What do I like? If I were to drink, dude, I used to love Margs, bro, and Mez. Well, just screw me. Throw me under the bus. Jdun likes his Margs strong. Yeah, I did. I was like, make it a double. Double or nothing back in the day. It's crazy I'm coming up on 2 years of no alcohol. May 5th will be 2 years. Honestly, though, when I did drink, it was double or nothing in the Margs. Don't give me some weak shit or weak stuff.
That's me. I couldn't even drink light beer. It's just non-alcoholic to me. I had to drink the IPAs.
Never tried an IPA. Well, I probably won't. I'm not sure I'll ever drink again. I don't really think that far ahead. I was never an alcoholic, so I didn't have to stop because I was going to die. I just stopped because I didn't want to drink anymore. I've just had no interest in going back. I'm drop top. Yep, just staying patient, guys. Staying patient. Waiting the first 15 minutes.
24,954. I'm watching for a possible short.
Wait, what level?
24,954.
That's also the 50% retracement from pre-market high to pre-market low, as well as Asia low. That actually don't look bad. Maybe 50 to 60 with stops above 25,000. I don't hate that idea. I'll watch that with you. I'll watch that Asia low. You see on the screen that 20. Yep. Either that or 25,000 hard stops for me.
We got the overnight low at 24,999. We got Asia low at 24,954.
In my drop tops. Yo, as a reminder, TikTok, I trade live every single day. I appreciate you guys who are new here hitting that follow button in the top left corner. I'm also live on YouTube as well, Jdun Trades. Jdun Trades on YouTube. Come tap in, you get full screen share.
We're definitely getting our shares.
I don't drink energy drinks. Running from the cups. Yeah, I'll watch that 9. I'll probably watch closer to 960, like 960 area with stops above 25,000. I think that'd be a potentially a decent trend trade. Dunno. Dunno. Going back to Nebraska today, Grizzly. Going back to the Cornhusker State.
Just going to visit some family?
Yeah. Got some news and had to go back and just be present. It's one of the things I love about trading is that you're able to, when life calls and need your time or attention, you're able to answer the call and be there and be present. It's arguably my favorite thing about trading and about being financially in a good spot is having the ability and owning your time. Did you just say that I'm kind of old? Wow. We're getting to Unk early. I haven't even lost a trade yet. We've been winning. You'll call me J Unk. It's crazy. J Dunk. J Mog. Yep. That's what we're doing. Oh, I was hoping we get up to like that 950, 960. That's my main watch, is that 50% retracement from pre-market high to pre-market low. It also correlates with Asia low. So whenever you see two levels match up like that and you have double confirmation in a trend, there's a higher probability that works out. All right. Damn, we're not going to get that, huh? I've been winning since I started watching this podcast. Thanks, Jdun. Never thought of this as a podcast, but I'm glad that you've been watching and winning. You can call it a podcast if you want. You can call it whatever you want. So like I said, y'all can call me whatever you want. Can't call me broke, though. You can call me Jdun. You can call me Paydun. If you're feeling feisty, a little feisty, you can call me Gaydun. You can call me J-Bum. If I lose, you can call me whatever you want. I'm still going to help you win. J Buns. I'm working on it. I'm trying. Lame done. Maybe if I lose, I always tell people if they want to talk that talk, that's fine, but they can talk the talk when I lose, but they also got to give the praises when we win, which is a majority of the time. Wow, so close. It got up to 908, so about 40 points away.
This candle here just doesn't have a crazy amount of volume.
No, it's horrible. Well, not horrible, but well, it's actually for the size, it is kind of horrible.
You know, I'll quit yawning. I've yawned like 1,000 times this week.
Where's the Folgers at, bro?
I need some, man. Body destroyed this week.
I got two cups of coffee today from the coffee shop. Usually I have one cup and then Gene makes me some of his espresso, but Gene's in Florida.
Vacation?
He's helping his friend move.
He moving too?
No, he's not allowed to move.
He never goes back.
He just dips. Retires, pulls a grizzly. Bro says, peace, I'm out.
Oh, waking back up here. Why is on it now, but the drug is question. Let me see. Let me look at the drug.
All right, our 15-minute range is in, everybody. No clear direction. And this is a tough candle to long or short because it was red. However, let's see, we had a total of 122 points, of which on that, of the 122 points, half of it was wick.
It's not showing up on the chart.
I am married to Nasdaqita.
Is the volume footprints working on your trading view?
Nasdaqita is my baby. She's a little feisty sometimes. She can get a little bit out of control on occasion, but we love her.
Tell me what the delta was on this candle, the previous candle. Zoom in.
Well, here's the problem now, is that if we break above this 15-minute high, I'm still open to a short in this area. Just potentially a little higher risk. We'll see. I'd like to see a 5-minute confirmation before I take the trade. I don't really want to just like reject it. Because there is a world where we get some rebound and we build a base above this 15-minute high, then we target this pre-market high if we can get volume confirmation and get an uptrend. We'll see. Jdun got to start mogging in public for virality's sake. Literally, what does that mean? Like, genuinely, if I went out in public and my main objective was to mog, what would that literally even look like? I don't even know where. Like, you put a gun to my head and you're like, go mog someone. I'm like, what? What do I even do? How does one go out with purpose of mog? What is what the hell is a jester? A jester maxer? What? What is a jester maxer? I don't know what kind of lingo y'all. Maybe I'm getting old. Maybe I am. Maybe I am an old man, I guess. Maybe y'all are right. Maybe I've accepted my fate. I don't know the lingo anymore. Jdun height mogging the incels? What is wrong with you guys? What's that even mean? I don't know, bro. I guess I'm out of the loop. I gotta do my research, I guess. I don't know. Something's going on. Jdun low-key frame mogs though. All right, let's see what we get in this 5-minute candle. I'm gonna stock mog this next setup. I'm so gonna trade mog these market makers with this next setup. Does that make sense? Does that count? Is that a thing? I'm gonna trade mog these haters. See, how am I supposed to short this setup at 950, 960 with this candle? This is tough because the overall trend's been down. And we have that 50% retracement coming up from pre-market high to low at 950 to 960. But this is technically a strong setup over 15-minute high. Gonna be a little tricky, a little sneaky little snake. Oh, I will trade mog ICT. All right, guys. Let's see here. The low, this is 817, 9.
What a candle, man.
I know. What are we supposed to do here?
That's what I'm saying. The only thing that makes sense to me, we could try like a bounce like 880.
Yep, that's what I was.
That's kind of control.
Yep, with stop spool like 8. Still, that'd be a wide stop.
We have to move or stop up. We have to stop out for the trade within the pallet. This would be the only option.
Here's my issue with this is that we have this 50% retracement here. We're touching the 15-minute high, but there's far too much risk from 900 down to 820, so I can't take this setup here. Maybe like 860-ish. Stop spool 820. Or if we wick down and then aggressive move up, we just keep the stop below the previous low. I'm a little conflicted with my system here. Too much risk. The reason I haven't taken these longs yet, if we had the low of this candle, say at like 860, I would have taken longs here at 900, no doubt. But the low here is down at 820, so it's just a little sketchy, a lot sketchy, trying longs without this. So now if we get a second confirmation candle here, I'll try the longs with stops below like 890. That I'm willing, that I can get on board with. That I can get on board with for sure.
Mr. Bounce by 12 points. So you're still low entry.
There's just so much risk on it. Stock maxing and trade mogging are elite terms is crazy.
Catch up on all this.
I know. I don't know. I'm gonna have to do my research this morning or later on. We're gonna be payout maxing from here on out. Look maxing and we're DOD maxing, look maxing, and payout maxing.
How do you look max? Is there some kind of system?
I guess I'm still trying to figure it out. I guess I don't know. We're going to figure it out. If I had to choose one, I'd say we're going to be DOD maxing. Discipline over dopamine maxing. Maximizing discipline while minimizing cheap, garbage, Dopamine. Useless dopamine. We're going to be redeeming the look maxing, everybody. I want you to redeem the look maxing and redeem your discipline and to trade smart and to trade safe. Please choose the DOD. Select from option 1, 2, or 3, which all lead to DOD.
I'm definitely not taking this bounce since we came so close earlier. And bounce. Okay. Just watching. What are you supposed to do with the looks maxing if you already look maxing?
I don't know. I don't know, bro. All right, let's see if we get a little more move down. I'll contemplate longs at 860. Still too much risk here at 880 down to 820. I'd be 60 points of risk. This is the area, if we are going to bounce, we likely do. But I'm personally not taking this yet. Just waiting. Like, for example, if we would have taken that pre-mark or that 15-minute high test, we'd be down 30-plus points right now. We'd be cooked. Well, not completely cooked, but it'd be getting close to getting cooked. The oven would be preheated and about to put the turkey in type deal. Not quite cooked, but it's just about there. Be very close. Whenever we have an aggressive trend like we did pre-market, like today, we had an aggressive trend downwards. It's hard for me to just trust these first few candles without clear trend solidification because, and like, how much just along this? Just don't tell me nothing. I can't take the retest up here for shorts because our volume sucked, and I can't take the longs because this candle just sucks. TikTok, I appreciate y'all being here. As a reminder, I trade live every single day. I appreciate you guys hitting that follow button in the top left corner. If you guys want to learn my system, hear every trade that I take, whether it's now or an Asia session or power hour, make sure you guys hit that follow button. It's 100% free. You guys can also come over to YouTube at Jdun Trades. Jdun Trades on YouTube. You get full screen share. I can't take this setup either way, folks.
Back to the, I want to say one more thing on the look maxing. Been working out for quite a while with Jdun. Everyone in there, skinny, fat, whatever, they all look to be different. So let's keep that in mind. The skinny guy's going to be bigger. That guy's going to be skinnier.
You tell me that I need to start going to look max? I need to dye my eyebrows. If I catch a 200 point, if I call an entry that goes 200 points today, I'll dye my hair blonde. I'll look max. I'll go Slim Shady. That would be crazy.
What color would you consider your hair now?
Brown, dark.
31 or something.
Can you imagine I show up with blonde hair, slim done?
We used to rock the blonde highlights back in the early 2000s.
I had blonde hair 1 year in elementary school too. I don't know why my mom let me do that. What's wrong with you, Mom? Come on.
I've been through so many haircuts. I had the mullet, I had red, I had bow cut. I just had it all. Please. Mom just got creative.
If we get a confirmation candle here, I'll still look for the longs, guys. I just couldn't, with this previous 5-minute candle, I couldn't rationalize it down here. Even though we would have had 860 to 815, what, like 35 points of risk? This would have been the spot. Personally, just too much risk for me. A little early, especially with the downtrend. The 1 minute makes it look better. I don't like to. Here's the problem. Whenever somebody says like, oh, you know, it doesn't look good in the 1 minute, but look at or 5 minute, but look at the 1 minute. I don't like to switch time frames for confirmation bias. it's very easy to say, oh, well, this looks bad in the 5 minute, but looks great in the 15 minute, I'm going to take it. Or this looks bad in the 5 and the 15, but it looks good in the 1, I'm going to take it. A lot of time that's just dopamine and our ego talking, wanting to take a trade. Sometimes it's not, but a majority of the time you should stick to what you know works in your system that you know works. So for me, I like to trade and take my confirmations in the 5 minute chart. I find that over time, over years of data, my best trades come when I get 5 minute volume and price confirmation, which takes more patience, but it also ends up paying. And I'm going to repeat my same line that I say every day. 2 lines. I am a day trader, not a take every trade trader, or not a trade every day trader. I trade during the day, but I don't have to trade every day. I don't have to take every trade. And 2, this is not Pokemon. You don't have to catch them all. I don't need to catch every move up and down. I focus on DOD, discipline over cheap garbage dopamine, staying focused, catching 1 to 2 good trades a day, and managing my risk. We keep the losers small and we keep our winners big. That's it. If you can simply just not self-sabotage and not blow yourself up, you'll be in a much better spot. You don't get rid of dopamine, you earn your dopamine. You want to get rid of ego trading and revenge trading and tilt trading and boredom trading, and instead earn your dopamine. You hit a really good trade that you manage your risk on, goes 1.52, 3R, you're gonna feel good, but that's earned dopamine. A lot of times you guys will lose a trade and get frustrated and then get pissed off and things just start going downhill. Let's see what this does. How do we take your class? I mean, you basically get class every day when I trade live with you here. If you want full screen share and you want to watch me chart, I'd recommend going over to YouTube. We're putting on a clinic every day. 860 to we would have just about gotten 1-to-1. This is your 30 minutes in a reminder as well to choose DOD, trade smart, trade safe. If you've had a good week, if you've made progress as a trader this week, which if you're trading with me every day, I hope that you have, then don't do anything destructive to turn your trading around or go into the weekend on a negative note. All right, let's see if we can finally get a confirmation candle here. Here's what I'm interested in, guys. If we can get strong volume and a strong candle, I'll look for a 2-bar on this candle with a pullback down, higher low with stops below this low. Now that we have a higher low on this, that makes it a bit more comforting to and risk smart to try that trade. And my ultimate goal is catching a higher low that I can minimize risk and I can capture that move to the upside. If we are going to trend up, I can capture that move to where we target that pre-market high up here. All right, I'll be right back. I'm going to go grab my water and use the restroom. I'll be back. I'll be back.
What's that? Oh, we hit our level, Jdun.
All right, what up? What'd I miss?
It hit her level. It just happened quickly.
Oh, shit.
Like instant push to it.
Wow. Nope, 9. I mean, I wouldn't have taken it, honestly, anyway. I would have waited for 960. Yeah, this is kind of the battle I have with my system right now is following this intraday trend or following the pre-market trend and the overall trend.
Wow, look at that. It's like it knew we was right on that level. So I'm gonna hit it real quick and sell off.
We got 1 more minute on this candle. What?
Main setup.
If we get this candle, here's an option too. Let's see what's the high here? 950, 920.
Right at this 15-minute range.
I know. Why? I would say I wish we could get a really weak candle here, a big wick, so I would watch for a move back up and short with stops above this high if we got a really weak close, but I'm not sure we're gonna get it. Looks like we're gonna close above this level. Or it's gonna be like a 50% wick indecisive close, which that does absolutely nothing for me. Does nothing for me.
One good trade to lock into the stake money.
Yeah, I can't. No way I'm shorting that candle.
I would look at the depth, but my trading view's not working properly. It will not show me the footprint to it.
900 stops. Technically speaking, guys, what's this? 30 points, 80. We could try the pullback to 900 for longs. I just fear us rejecting in here that 50% retracement from pre-market high to low and getting a flush down. So if I did end up taking this 900, you'd have to have hard stops at 866. It'd be a 34-point risk.
And the previous candle had a positive delta of 450.
Patience is definitely what I'm working on, and this channel has been helping for sure. I appreciate you. I'm glad I've helped you guys with your patience and with your DOD. I'm currently looking for a pullback to 900 for longs, guys. That's what I'm watching at the moment. And we're taking out the previous highs. Great. I just... It's the missing piece every trader needs. Patience. Pay done. Need a winner. Just got home from club space. Still effing rolling. Rainbow heart. That's crazy. That is wild. You know what? I'll help you keep your roll going on, my boy. That's not DOD though. You should probably go get some sleep and come back Monday. That's not DOD, my friend.
Right, King Bull. Watching this overnight low area.
This was my original reject zone. This was the pre-market high to pre-market low retracement. I used to take rejects. Like back in the day, I'd just take a short right here. Say rejecting, trying it with stops above 25,000. Not quite how I trade anymore.
Orb looked good today, just didn't give us the confirmation candle was massive.
Yep. I would have taken that retest earlier. I'm so tempted to try the shorts. If we can get a little confirmation up here.
Me too. You have to pull the 1 minute.
I know. This is the only area I like. Was that 960, 970? Goes against our intraday, what's happening in the first few candles, but from an overall trend standpoint, pre-market, it looks good. I have not taken anything.
I'm tempted to try some, dude. I'm gonna try some shorts. I'm gonna start small size here. It's a small size. I'm testing this area. I would like to get my average in the 70s. Honestly, we push up towards that overnight low stop. 5 minute close above that 25,000, or we can just set a hard stop on the other side. If you're on your phone, just wait till you get up a little higher. A little too much risk for you. That previous candle closed right at Asia low.
I'm going to try a piece of shorts up at 72, everybody. 70 is what I like. I'm going to keep my stops at 25,000. I like this area right here. It's the only area I've seen all morning for shorts. I'm going to keep it light. I have a hard stop at 25,000. So 30 points of risk. 70s right here. The area up to 75 is the area I like for entry. You're entering right here. It's only 25 points of risk. I have stops at 25,001. 25,001. Only went with one mini, so we'll have 600 and about $600 worth of risk.
All right, everyone. My average is in the 70s now. Stop is a 5 minute close above 25,000.
I'm getting stopped at 25,001 if we get up there. This is the only area I liked pre-market for that high to low retracement. So tried it light, only one mini. If we saw some sort of confirmation that we'd reverse, I would potentially add into the position, but not right now. Don't even have a full size loss on the table. So we'll see. So our final line in the sand, this 85 was the high that 0.618. So we'll see. If we don't reject this area, I'll begin looking for a higher low for the longs. This is the only short entry I like. Is up here, 70 to 80, with stops at 25,000.
I'd like to take this back down to that 15-minute range high if it gives that to us.
We have our Fibonacci retracement from pre-market high to pre-market low. So that's why I tried the shorts up here, but stops are at 25,000 just in case we continue up. I have a hard stop in 25,000.
Just rip straight down. You don't need to go up anymore. Put my hard stop in on the other side of 25,000.
Yep, I have mine at 25,001. I have mine at 25,001, so I'll lose just over 600 if I lose the trade. I'd like to see us move down to like 15-minute high.
Be awesome.
Less risk for me today, folks. If we do get some sort of 5-minute strong confirmation candle up here, potentially stop it early, but right now I'd like to see it move down to like 9.
Oh, we're green. For a second. Go straight down. You don't need to go any higher today.
You don't need to go any higher. That's what I'd be telling it.
What I'm saying.
Come on, baby. Do it for the Bears. Do it for us. Come on. Down, 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 down. Let's go. Come on. Come on. I'm light risk on this, so I don't really have anything to trim. I'm going to wait till 970.30. I need a minimum of like 940 or below to take any profit or to take my profit. This 5-minute chart looks good. This shows we had the right idea. Look at that 5-minute candle.
Right idea. Let's just hope we get a rip down here.
Even if it don't work out, this shows we had the right idea. So, because I've been in the shorts since 970. You actually probably got a better entry than I did.
Do it.
Push down. Come on. If I had more risk on, I'd probably put my stops at like 993.
There we go.
Come on. Come on.
I'm trimming here. Heads up.
Come on. You know what?
Moving my stop entry. Wasn't the best risk reward there, but the previous candle, I've seen us retrace them off. So.
Here's my plan: is I'm gonna sell my mini, and if we go back up, I'll trade micros so I can trim again. I got a lot of shit going on today, so and I have to travel, so I'm keeping my risk minimum. I'm taking my 1-to-1 on that trade, so we're gonna secure it as a green trade down here. And if we get a re-entry, I'll trade micros, but we're gonna take our dub today. It's 1-to-1. If I had more to trim, I'd trim some. I'd trim some, and I'd put my stops at break even at 970. But trend is up intraday. I'm taking my dub. I'm taking my dub. And if we get a nice re-entry, I'll trade micros. I should have done that from the start. I'm following my system. Got to travel back to Nebraska today. Got some stuff going on. And I'm keeping my
Sorry, I got my stop at entry. Simple. Let you know. Average is in the 70s. Is that pre-market or that 15-minute range? What I want.
so far 1-to-1 trade. Stop should be at entry. I'm with you. If you're still in, maybe put him like 72. Good job, everybody. Glad we caught a winner on a Friday so far. Not crazy yet, but caught a winner.
Wasn't far from our stop at all on that trade when it pushed up.
I know. There we go, everybody. Let it keep pushing.
I'm trimming one more time here. And let the other do a half ride.
Let it keep pushing. Let's go, everybody. If you guys have micros to trim, I'd be trimming here. If you guys have micros to trim, I wish I could be trimming with you.
I didn't get us the 30-minute workday, but maybe the hour workday.
And look at that. That's the nasty reject. Let's go. 1.5R. 1.5R, baby. All I got to say is let's go. Let's go, baby. Hey, while we're letting this play out for y'all, come on, show some team ball, DOD love. You guys are in this trade. Even if it's base hits, how we sitting? How we sitting, chat? Talk to me. Get the good vibes flowing. Get the good vibes moving. Get the good vibes moving. How we sitting? Let's go. 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 Come on, baby. Talk to me. All right, there we go. How are we sitting? Why is it not doing that? Why is it not working? All right. How much y'all make on that trade? 200, 550, 350, 703, 100, 900, 785, 300, 800, 158, 350 times 7, 170 times 6. Come on. 1.5R. Jdun, this is amazing. We're so close to blowing 2 fundeds. Pass the DOD 220, 200, 2K, 300. Let's go! DOD! Now I can get out of here early and go and make my food and do everything we need to do. Just had to have one winner. Stops would need to be at break even now. So, like right here. Jdun. Hold on. I got something good for y'all coming up.
Trade's over for me. One agonized stop on that. And a little bit in the profit zone.
Where's my, hold on. Jdun.
You never take trades. Where's the trade? You didn't say you were in shorts. I didn't hear a word you said. If it's so real, then get me another one.
that's how I see these haters, baby. Okay, sorry, I had to do it one more time. Cornball, yeah, but we're paid though. Hey, we'll take that. 70 down to 20, 50 points, 30 points of risk, 1.5R. You know who won today? 50 points for the Bears! Yeah! I smell victory, baby. That's what I smell. I smell victory. I smell DOD for everybody. To you bulls out there that thought this was your day. Hi, Mr. Bro. How's it? Shut up, mother effer. Come on. Hey, some of y'all, the haters, just don't know how to have fun. I pray for you. I love you. We love DOD. We stay focused, trade smart, trade safe. Let's go. W Friday, baby. Man, I wish I would have on that been able to hold for a little longer, but I started out light and I got some stuff going on in Nebraska I got to attend to. So, yeah, I had some family things come up. So I had some family deal come up. So I put less risk on today and followed my plan. Cut a nice dub. just under $700 in the live account. So nothing crazy, not going to break the bank, but something light.
Made 700.
Yep. 670 on the live. Oh no.
Looks like the king up here. I'm surprised it's not selling off a bit more from the zone.
I know. I thought it would. I really thought we were going to catch that lower high for the session, the move. Bro didn't call that out. Yeah. God bless you. Steinbach said, Kristen here. I have to say, this is my first week following you, and I genuinely appreciate how respectful you are to everyone's questions and comments. I caught another trader's lunch hour yesterday. Nice.
How much longer you got, Jdun?
I am going to leave in probably like 10 minutes or something.
I'll hang out till you go, and I'm gonna cut out as well.
Dinsfo. That was a DOD style trade. There's a clear reason for it, clear risk management. That is 100% DOD.
800 from that trade. Oh, took that with me. We'll tag me in the post your games. I'd love to see it.
This is my first week too, and hey, Team Bull. I have a question. Y'all want to celebrate a winning trade on a Friday? If you do, you got about 1 minute. That's it. That's all you get. Got to celebrate the winning end of the week. You guys better channel your inner Chris Kyle. Oh, you know what I wanted to do too? I forgot to do this the other day. When we hit a banger, let's go! This tool's so fun on TradingView. Look at that. This is us catching bangers, baby. MD Sky, I don't know what you're talking about. What code? What are you talking about, code? What you talking about? Well, you know we say DOD, trade smart, trade safe. Thank you guys for being a part of Team Bull. And DOD, y'all better be paying attention. Are we not entertained? Let's go. Thank you guys for being a part of Team Bull Money Team, baby. We're showing love to the whole squad today, baby. Shout out Apex. Shout out our friends at Apex. I really thought that had potential to be a full-on reversal from this lower high down to low day. Let's go. Shout out Diego. Shout out Mr. Wiener. That's an interesting name, but all right. Shout out Stinger, Harvey, Fibonacci Gangster. I like that name. That's dope. Ricardo, Lino, Allen, Mays. Let's go. Let's go, Jdun. I just got approved for my first payout ever, and it's thanks to DOD. Appreciate you. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about.
Bull, you have a great weekend.
You out of here, bro?
And man, tired. Ready to enjoy the Friday.
Bro, I made $900 in Apex funded today as well. Nice. Grizzly, it was nice trading with you this week, my boy.
Yes, it was. Solid week, man.
Killed it. Wish we would have gotten more out of that, but
All week. Ain't no losses. I'm trying to lock in people some payouts and stuff.
yep. What time is my flight today? $50 left in drawdown. Am I cooked? I mean, you're definitely not in the best spot. I'm just gonna keep it a buck with you. I appreciate all of you here trading with me and using code Jdun on your prop firms. Again, they are a tool, not the end all be all. Just lost my account thanks to Jdun. Well, certainly not me, because we had one winner. So I'm sorry that happened. May God bless you. And I hope that your next account goes much better. You can choose DOD. You can change the tide. And I believe in you. I believe in you, my friend. You help me pass another set of accounts. I'm also going to be giving away a code to someone who posts in the Post Your Gains in the next 5 minutes. If you all got them in the Discord and you post your gains in the Post Your Gains section, I'm giving away a code in the next 5 minutes by 8:35 or 10:35 Eastern Time. Yup. Tag me and DOD. You can also tag Grizzly as well. DOD. Let's go, Gilbert. I don't know why that just reminded me of the hamster I had when I was younger. I had this hamster named George. He was not a nice boy. George was a mean hamster. Tag me and post your gains. DOD. I'm giving away an account in 4 minutes. Mean George was a mean hamster. Am I cooking this morning? I wouldn't say cooking, but caught a winner. 70 over here in Lincoln. Hey, let's go. Jdun never cooks. Like, did I read that right? But why do you have the mirror on your screen?
Jdun never cooks. I didn't even hear the trade. If you're so good, call another one. This guy doesn't even trade. Cornball. What are you doing, Cornball? Cut it out.
That's what I see when these grown men come on stream and start talking. Crazy. Hilarious. Done as Gordon Ramsay up in here. I got all the masks. Trust, I got a mask for any situation. Jdun, my manager joined 2 days in a row, and both days you have some kind of mask on. We're catching winners, though. Why does it matter? I'm going to leave. I'm going to give away an account in 1 minute. I'm going to pick someone to win. You know what? I'll actually pick 2 of you guys to win. Screw it. I'm going to do one random, and I'm going to pick one of the comments. All right. The random one's coming, and I'm going to pick in 40 seconds. All right. We're scrolling. 5, 4, 3, 2. And the winner is Sniper Jaws at the first account. It says at Jdun at Grizzly. Thank you guys. Learning a lot. 3 weeks in with you. You made $540. Let's go. We got Sniper Jaws with account 1. There we go. And account 2. Let's do some peeking around. Lava lamp is so dope. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. That's a freaking get you a giveaway type comment. Let's look through these. Let's look through all of this chatter. Let's look through all of this chatter. A 3 to the 1 from the 1 to the 3. I woke up this morning and chose DOD. And if you woke up and traded with me, Jdun will lead you to the promised land of DOD. 3 to the 1 from the 1 to the 3. I choose DOD, but still sometimes I gotta go pee. Mid-trade that you will see. I missed some setups. I wish I could be here for. All right. Let me find. Let's see here. I'm reading all these. I think we're gonna go here with Squeezed Juice. Says DOD. Here's my Feb results in a live account 3 months in a row of green. Guess what? Guess we come back in March. Glory be to God. God bless you all. Yep. Squeeze Juice, you are the second winner. Now get me some orange juice. Squeeze Juice. Leave it on Jdun to find a bearish win uptrend. Yep. Oh, yeah. I would have taken the longs, but we never got the pullback I wanted. So tried this retracement from pre-market high to pre-market low and ended up us getting paid. Congratulations, folks. Thank you guys all for being a part of Team Bull. For being a part of the money team. Got the rogue code in his pass. Bro took no time off to pass. Let's go. That's awesome. Bro said, I will take no time waiting. DOD. I will never give away the lava lamp. Sorry, not allowed. Lava lamps here to stay. Lava lamp is here to stay. It's like the humble Honda, not for sale. Not for sale. Never. Oh, boys and girls. You know how we do, baby. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. We paid. We need a jorts giveaway. You guys know. You guys already know. Team Bull. It's been a great DOD week. I got one more message from the bears that got us paid today, for the lovers, and for the people who need it most, for the haters. You guys thought this was a game? You thought this was a game? We came in, chose DOD this week. We traded smart, traded safe, stayed focused, and y'all saw us get paid. I need y'all focusing this weekend, doing something positive for yourself, grinding, hitting the gym, eating healthy. God bless you guys. Thank you for being a part of Team Bull and Team Bear. I'll see you guys on Monday, baby. Let's go! Come on now. God bless you guys. Have a great weekend. Choose DOD. Do something positive for yourself. Peace. Woo! Goodbye now. I love you guys. Goodbye.